In his latest interview, General Mchena has exposed the rot within some selfish individuals in ZANU-PF leadership, highlighting how a new breed of leadership is buying their way into power. Sarabina Mashkoblenyi Kopangwana Chinze is ZANU-PF under siege. General Mchena sounds alarm against unelected individuals trying to change principles of ZANU-PF. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tendra Birmuda Chinze. He also said that these few individuals believe leadership can be bought using money, Mchena laments, pointing to core options into the central committee driven by wealth and influence. Ndiro team rekutengera mawa veterans abasikoro nechiupfu $80 nekuvapa mafuneral policy, but vanatemba varakashe vachipiwa maGD6 nema $100,000. General Mchena said ZANU-PF was created by principles and those principles should be respected. He also said they are unelected opportunists who are taking the opportunity to try to manipulate the constitution. He also accused these unelected individuals of changing the principles ZANU-PF was formed on. He also suggested that the bill should go through a referendum because they went to war to fight for one man, one vote. He also said that there are some rogue elements within the war veterans who are taking money from the 2030 faction and lying to people that the war veterans have accepted the bill number 3, yet they will be speaking without consulting other comrades. Tim Rekupioma tractor number 350,000. General Mchena's interviews comes out at the same time as the Temba Minister's speech accusing Vice President Konsano Chiwenga's supporters of making the whole country reject the proposed bill. The 2030 agenda supporters were burst in to support the bill number 3 consultations, but it didn't help as the people rejected the self-wealth creation bill. They also tried to influence well-known pastors to support the bill, but it didn't help because pastors have been receiving millions of dollars from the 2030 term extension promoters. Yet the public is suffering and there is a shortage of medication in hospitals. Imagine, yaipiwa mabishop dayaitenga mshonga muzvipatara. The public is behind General Mchena's words because they are in line with the principles of the liberation struggle. Hatigoni kuva loyal kumunhu kana kunyika yedu nenhoroondo yayo. Toma developments ndobva tasvika muZimbabwe. Pera kumasection medu dzofungira imo kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like achitonda bell icon.